So I don't have a broom closet or really a utility closet. So to get a full-size broom, I really don't have a space for it. And so I was trying to figure out how to solve that problem. So I bought a very small broom, but I still need a place to put it somewhere. And because it's a very small broom, it actually fits right here. And of course I use these hooks so much, these command strip hooks that I buy from Target. And this just hangs inside. And it's actually the perfect height for my cabinet. And so whenever I need a broom, it's right there. And it's out of the way, so I don't need a closet just for like mops and like brooms. This is just good enough. And since it's very low profile, it's not very bulky, I don't need a lot of space, because you have to give it some room to like indent into the space. So it's totally low maintenance. But if you're the type of person that needs like a dustpan, which I totally get it, because I do have a hand vac, so whenever I sweep, I would get my hand vac and just scoop up the mess. But if you would prefer to use something else, I actually have another idea that you can do is these little hand brushes, which, because I don't really have a lot of messes to clean up. They're usually pretty localized, they're pretty small. So I haven't used this yet. I actually bought this from Ross for $6. So super handy, no pun intended. And so if you don't really like these brooms, I actually bought this in Little Tokyo for $3, which is really awesome. And you prefer having like the dustpan with the hand brush, then these will work just fine too. And you can buy these really cheap, like at any of those discount places. And they stay right out of the way. Bad aim. And then, there you go. Hi, thank you for watching. I had a lot of fun shooting this for you guys. I love sharing ideas on how to live a big life in a small space, especially a rental. If you like what you see, subscribe. Oh, I just dropped the mic. Larry just dropped the mic. Oh my God.